In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the dispenser light in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If the light on your fridge doesn't turn on or flickers when dispensing water or ice, you may have a bad dispenser light. If you need to buy a new dispenser light, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. On the bottom of the display are two locking tabs holding it in place. Insert a flat blade screwdriver into the slots and gently push up and pry it towards you to release. Now, slide the display down, being careful as it's still connected by wires. Next, disconnect these three electrical connectors. The larger two can be removed by depressing the locking tab, while the smaller connector needs to first have the locking key removed. With the display removed, disconnect the light electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Then, peel back the tape. Now, push on the bottom of the light while gently prying on the locking tabs until the light releases. When shopping for a new dispenser light at partsdoctor.com, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install the light, ensure the wire is to the bottom, align it to the opening, and press until the tabs snap back in place. Next, reconnect the electrical connector and reapply the tape. To install the display, start by reconnecting the electrical connectors. Align and push until they snap back in place. Remember to reinstall the locking key on the small connector. Now, make sure all of the wires are tucked back into the opening. Insert the tabs on the display into the slots, rotate down, and snap back in place. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.